Hey everybody, Lady Steam here. Welcome to the March 2020 box of making. This is box number 16. Can you believe we've come so far already? We've got an exciting box for you this month, and I wanted to get to be the first one to show you what the projects are in it. We've themed this box the Nautilus, and we've actually included some projects we've been waiting a really long time to make, and we're really excited to get to share these with you. As usual, in your box, when you open it, you're going to find our welcome letter. Thank you again. A link to the videos, which hopefully you've already found, along with our usual unpacking letter, and most importantly, the sheet that describes the project and lists the hardware on the back. We'll also talk through that as we build the videos and build the projects with you, along with your coupon. That will be good this month. And so I'm going to put those on the side. I don't need them right now. In your box as well, we have 3 projects to tell you about. I'm going to start with the Nautilus Coaster. This is probably the one that's been in the works for the longest, wouldn't you say, Professor?
Yes, completely.
We've had people asking us for one of these forever, and we have given you a beautiful Nautilus coaster, and we'll show you how to make it. I really can't wait to see what you do with decorating these. We also have our Nautilus Pendant, and in this case, we're going to do it this way. We've redesigned the gears. They should be much smoother to spin for you, and we'll talk about how to assemble and build this piece. And finally, a piece the professor designed mostly on his own. And this is called our Shipwreck Pin. When we're selling them pre-built, we're going to sell them in a stained and painted version that's really pretty. But I can't wait to see what you do with them. Now, the coolest thing about this piece, it has a gear on the back that spins, but the gears on the front actually spin at 4 times the speed of the gear that you're spinning on the back. I haven't sanded this one when we put it together, so it's not as smooth as it could be. I can't wait to see them zoom when you get them built and put them together, but they're very, very cool. This is the Shipwreck Pin. It's got all kinds of fun gearing in it that we'll talk about when we talk about building it as well. So those 2 packages are in the box as well. As always, we have an art supply, and this time we got a pretty set of color metallic pins. I know we've done things similar before, but this is a set we really liked the colors in. It's kind of a fun piece. Sandpaper, glue, spare screws, and as always, pin test wood for you to test your coloring and decorating on as you go. And that is the March 2020 box 16 box of making the Nautilus. And you'll get to join me for making these 3 really fun pieces.